You can use the Print to PDF option to save any printable page as a PDF file. With a document web page or any other printable page open, go to the File menu and choose Print. If you're using the Chrome web browser, you'll also need to click the option to print using System dialog. Instead of printing to a regular printer, open the PDF menu and choose Save as PDF. Give the file a name, choose the folder where you want to save it, then click Save. The PDF file will look exactly the same as the printed page would look. This lets you keep these pages in your files while saving paper. You can even print that PDF later if you like, or send it to somebody in an email attachment. There's also an option to quickly save receipts and payment confirmations. Go to the Print command like before, and go to the PDF menu. This time choose Save to Web Receipts. The PDF is immediately saved to a special folder. Open Finder. Go to your Documents folder and you'll find the Web Receipts folder. This is a quick way to save receipts for online payments, just in case you need proof of a payment later.